Good day everyone, I am Fernando Rieza Herman III and this is Anatomy and Physiology of Human Movement. I'm going to tackle the skeletal system. So this is the objectives. The learner should be able to know the factor and aspect of skeletal system. The second one is to know what is the typical ailment of skeletal system. And the last one is to be aware how to look after our health. Dito natin malalaman kung paano natin mapapangalagaan at maiiwasan yung mga bagay na hindi makakabuti sa ating skeletal system. Ano nga ba ang skeletal system? The skeletal system works as a support structure for your body. It gives the body its shapes, allows movement, makes blood cells, provides protection for your organs, and stores minerals. Sinasabi dito na ang ating skeletal system ay nakatutulong upang makatayo at makagalaw ng maayos ang ating katawan. And also, it consists of bones and connective tissue, including cartilage, tendons, and ligaments. This is the best example of our human skeletal system. Sinasabi sa slides na ito kung ano ang pagkakaiba ng skeletal system ng mga lalaki at babae. Dahil kung mapapansin nyo, karamihan sa mga lalaki ay mas matangkad kesa sa mga babae. Dahil ang mga babae ay mayroong broader pelvis to accommodate for their pregnancy. Regardless of our age or sex, the skeletal system can be broken down into two parts, which is axial skeleton and appendicular skeleton. When we say axial skeleton, it consists of the brain case or cranium and the backbone and ribs. Sa madaling salita, pinoprotektahan nito ang ating central nervous system. Kapag sinabi namang appendicular skeleton, ito ay nagko-consist ng 126 bones. At nahahati ito sa dalawang parte na kung tawagin natin na upper and lower extremities, which include the shoulder girdle and pelvis. What does the skeletal do? The skeletal system has many functions besides giving us our human shape and features. So ito pa ang ibang mga nagagawa ng ating skeletal system sa ating katawan. Allows movement. Your skeleton supports your body weight to help you stand and move. So sabi ko kanina, ang ating mga buto ay nakatutulong upang makatayo at makagalaw ng maayos ang ating katawan. The second one is produces blood cells. Bones contain bone marrow. So dito, nakakapag-produce ang ating mga buto ng red and white blood cells. Third is protects and supports your organs. Your skull shields your brain, your ribs protect your heart and lungs, and your backbone protects your spine. Nabanggit ko na nga din kanina na ang ating mga buto ay pinoprotektahan niya ang ating central nervous system. The last one is stores minerals. Bones hold your body's supply of minerals like calcium and vitamin D. So dito, kailangan natin magkaroon ng enough na supply sa ating katawan ng calcium at vitamin D upang mas maging malakas pa at maging mapatibay pa natin ang ating skeletal system. So okay, let's proceed for the next slides. What are the parts of the skeletal system? The skeletal system is a network of many different parts that work together to help you move. The main part of your skeletal system consists of your bones, hard structures that create your body's framework. Umpisahan natin dito sa periosteum. The periosteum is a tough membrane that covers and protects the outside of the bone. Isa rin itong connective tissue na bumabalot karamihan sa ating mga buto. Next is compact bone. Below the periosteum, compact bone is white, hard, and smooth. It provides structural support and protection. Ang compact bone ay binubuo ng osteons na may ibig sabihin na cylindrical vascular tunnels formed by an osteoclast-rich tissue. At ang compact bone ay nabubuo sa external layer ng ating mga buto. The last one is spongy bone. The spongy bone is the core. Inner layer of the bone is softer than compact bone. It has small holes called pores to store marrow. Ang spongy bone naman ay binubuo ng trabeculae. Trabeculae is a small bar, rod, bundle of fibers, or subtle membrane in the framework of a body organ. Nabubuo naman ang spongy bone sa inner part ng ating mga buto. So here's the components of our skeletal system, including cartilage, joints, ligaments, and tendons. Cartilage. This smooth and flexible substance covers the tips of your bones where they meet. It enables bones to move without friction, rubbing against each other. Makikita natin ang cartilage throughout our body, at isa rin itong main type of connective tissue. The second one is joints. A joint is where two or more bones in the body came together. The third one is ligaments. Bands of strong connective tissue called ligaments hold bones together. Ang ligaments din ay naka-attach buto sa buto and usually serves to hold structure together and keep them stable. And the last one is tendons. Tendons are bands of tissue that connect the ends of a muscle to your bone. May also attach muscles to structure such as the eyeball. A tendon serves to move the bone or structure. So here's the image of components of our skeletal system. What are some common conditions that can affect the skeletal system? The first one is arthritis. Age, injury, and medical conditions such as Lyme disease can lead to arthritis, a painful wearing down of joints. So dito, karamihan sa mga matatanda ay nagkakaroon ng arthritis. Next is fracture. This is a tumor or trauma can put stress on a bone, causing it to break. So dito, rumurupok ang ating mga buto kapag lagi tayong stress. The last one is osteoporosis. Bone loss caused by not getting enough calcium can lead to fragile of brittle bones. Nabanggit ko nga rin kanina na kailangan natin magkaroon ng enough calcium at vitamin D upang mapatibay natin ang ating mga buto. How can I keep my skeletal system healthy? Number 1 is get plenty of vitamin D and calcium in your diet to keep your bones strong. Number 2 is drink plenty of water to help keep tissues healthy. Third, you must be exercise regularly to strengthen bones and joints. Fourth is stay at a healthy weight to avoid putting extra pressure on your bones and cartilage. And the last one is wear protective gear during contact sports. So kapag sinunod at ginawa natin ang mga ito, maaaring ang ating skeletal system ay mas mapatibay pa ito. Trivia lang guys, ang pinakamaliit na buto sa ating parte ng katawan ay ang tenga. At ang may pinakamarami ding buto ay ang bagong panganak na bata. At ang ating buto ay dinesign para to take a beating. Sana may natutunan kayo dahil magpapa-quiz na ako. Let's take a quiz. 1 to 4, what are the components of skeletal system? 5 to 6, give some conditions that can affect skeletal system. 7 to 9, how can your skeletal system should be healthy? And the last one and our bonus question, what is my sports? Thank you!